Morning! The weather is holding up perfect, so we're going for another walk. I'm at the crossing when you come down from Çandır to the harbour, and we'll go this way.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free.
And this first bit out of the village is going up. Not for long, but it's steep enough.
These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running.
Today is not a very hard walk. It's just a long one. I usually do this walk if I want to get back into shape, or I just don't want to crawl through all sorts of narrow spaces and I just want to walk. Perfect. You can do this on a push bike, you can do this on a scooter, you can do this one with the quad. So if you want to do so, check me out on Wikiloc under At Home in Turkey. You can download this track there.
Catching up, I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. See the blue sky, feel the wind that blows, get the rush in, heaven only knows. I'm all alone, still lying far from lonely, on a journey, on a winding road. Got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops.
These little dirt roads are gorgeous. They're like romantic lanes. I love it.
So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space.
And then we walked out of the trees into the open, and we have these beautiful rock formations in front of us. Nice. Ready for a break, Timo? Looks like it. Come, a little bit further. They make these water tanks everywhere. They're ugly, but very practical. Yep. Full. Very nice. You want a drink, Timo? Come on, have a sip. The views are spectacular, but I'm filming against the sun. I really have to come back here at the end of the day. Don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty amazing. Alright, I walked for over 2 hours now, so if I see a nice spot, I want to have a long break. I have coffee, something to eat. That'll be great.
Far from city lights,
I so love this. So nice to be able to do this without having it to go in the car first. Just from your home. And I haven't seen anybody. And I haven't heard anything. Listen. Total silence. Great. And then we walk in a totally different view. No more river delta, no more beach.
Up on greater heights.
It's a long walk, but spectacular views. Well, I'm nearly back where I started. If you want to do this walk, please hop over to Wikiloc, download the GPS track, it's for free. If you like these videos, please subscribe, it helps the channel.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase.